Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Just spoil my YouTube boy. That's my video fun. Welcome guys to my channel. Today I will be having a very short tutorial on removing or uninstalling my frontal. So here is a frontal I fixed. It's about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, no, today makes it like 3 weeks and a day, and it has really stayed. I think it has really stayed for a very long time. Like it has it has overstayed its welcome. I was trying to remove this and just pulled up, and so somehow I think it's beginning to look funny. It's shifting back all by itself. As you can see, the color is very different. I think it was around here and it has shifted all the way. I think it's because of the length of time I had to leave it that caused it, and little of this place is trying to pull off by itself. So before it gets any worse than this, I just want to get it all off. Like, it has stayed for a very long time. I really enjoyed using it. This is my first frontal installation. Yeah, it was installed for me and my makeup artist. I'm very sure I might not be able to install one for myself. So let's go right straight into what we have to do. Let's go straight right into what we have to do. Don't make me laugh. My English is not just giving at all. So I was told I needed a spirit or an alcohol. So I have here methylated spirits. It's 95% alcohol and 5% methanol. So here it is. It's written 95% alcohol and methanol 5%. So that's what I'll be using for it. My gosh, it's not trying to open. It's not opening. Okay, the seal is so locked. I need to get it opened and get right back to us. Thank you. So my husband is trying to help me open it. I think we just need like a knife for it. So right before we get back to that, thank you very much. Thank you. It's been opened for me. Okay, so I think I would just be pouring it bit by bit. I'll pour little. Oh gosh, the smell is horrible. I'll pour little into the container. I actually think I need something to dab it on it, but then let me try and see if I can use my nails. Okay, it's not working. I think I'll just try and get something and get back to making this video. So I think I need something. Here, use that tissue. Thank you. And the tissue. I think I'll just use it to dip it. So I think I should be making use of a cotton wool, but I don't have any here. So I think this should serve. Just fold it in a little bit. Trying this out for the very first time, and I just hope it comes out exactly as I thought, and I hope this tissue doesn't just soak it all up. Okay, I can feel little liquid right on my forehead, but it's soaking it all up more than it is applying on the forehead. So this is me applying. Okay, applying the alcohol on the forehead. I had to pour more. This has soaked up majority of the alcohol, so I'm doing more on that. Okay, I think somehow it's a little bit getting into my eye and I'm not finding it funny, so I'll just keep doing this. There's a lot of, okay, it looks dirty, but I'm very sure it's the foundation that was used to make it blend with my skin color that is appearing here. So I've applied generously to it. I can feel it all over my forehead. I think I've applied it generously, and then I'm supposed to wait for a few minutes. Ouch! Few minutes while at this. Okay, I can feel it really detaching from my head. I think I feel it, but I'll just keep applying. I'll just keep applying it till it's just eventually gives way. So I'm getting there. I think it's trying to come off by itself already. I'll just use my comb, my picking comb, and try to see from inside to know whether it's trying to come out. Okay, it's really soft. It's really soft and it's giving way already. It's giving way. Wow. I cannot imagine. It happened so fast. Faster than I thought. Gosh. Wow. Really fast. So this is it all coming off. Wow. Why this is so surprising is this hair has been on my head for 3 weeks. Like I said, 3 weeks and a day. And not for once did it look like it was going to come off by itself. Like it was pretty strong. So this is super surprising, and then I'm really happy this finally came off. So there's lots of dirt here. I would have to do a lot of cleaning to remove the bonding and all, and then I get right back to okay, there's still more on my hair. It's a lot actually. Wow. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching my very short video. This was how I came by removing my frontal. And so here comes to the end of my tutorials. As you can see, I was able to do this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for sticking by. Please don't forget to like this video. Okay, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and as well share this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. I can stop. Hey, no one stop.